What's going on, everybody? Apollo PC back with another tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to add bots to your Discord server. If this video helps you guys out at all, please hit the like button so more people can find my video. I'd really appreciate that. So with that being said, let's jump straight into the video. Alright, so first things first, you want to have your Discord server up. If you guys don't know how to make a Discord server, you can watch my last video. I give a kind of a small tutorial, basic tutorial on how to do that. But anyways, you're going to want to open up Google Chrome and go to top.gg. I will put the link in the description so you don't have to type it out. You can just click the link and it'll take you straight to it. So once you get to this website, you can scroll down and you can see some of the most popular bots. I know a lot of servers have the Me6 bot, the Dank Memer bot. I haven't really seen any of these. I've seen the Epic RPG. It looks like a lot of these are just anime bots or something to do with that. But anyways, if you're looking for a specific bot, you can come up here and let's just type in Clash of Clans. As you can see, you can find all sorts of different Clash of Clans bots. You guys will have to go through and view all of these separately. But for now, I'm just going to go to the top bot. We're going to start with Me6. We're going to hit view and it will kind of just give you some information about it in here. Easily create custom commands, levels and XP in your Discord server. I'm going to go back up to the top and I'm just going to add to Discord. And then you're going to have to select your Discord server. Now it's just going to say Me6 wants to access your account. This is going to be for every single bot. It's completely safe. Just hit authorize and it should bring you to your servers. So now I'm going to set this up in the server that I created for this video. As you can see, I already used this server in two different Discord servers right here, being these two. I created both of these. So I'm going to set it up in the Discord server I created. Add to server. Continue. It's going to want privileges and permissions of all these things, which you're going to need to give it to them. Authorize. I am human. And here you are with the Me6. So you can go through everything here. You can add custom commands. You can welcome new users to your Discord server when they join. This is one of the most popular Discord bots that there is. I highly recommend adding this in every Discord server. So once you click on the welcome, you can send a message when a user joins, send them a private message, give a role, like an automatic role. So if I want to, I can give them a role once they join. If you scroll down, it will say levels. This will just allow your members to level up the more active they are. So the more they comment and the more they're texting and chatting within your Discord server, it'll add up and it'll advance them multiple levels. The higher level they get, the more rewards they can get, like role rewards right here. You can select a role to give them. I don't have any roles in the server at the moment. So let's change that quick. Let's add a role. All right, so I just added a role to the server. Now let's go back. Got to refresh. And now you can select the role. And now it says you have to unlock premium, which you're going to have to pay for. But you can just do it manually yourself and not pay the premium. You can custom make the message right here. And to change the XP rate, you're going to have to buy premium as well, because I already know. So yeah, you can just play around with this one. I'm not going to go through everything with the Me6 bot, but you'll just have to go in yourself, check everything out. But that's going to do it for this video. If you want to add any more bots to your Discord server, you just got to go to that website and add more bots or search more bots that you would like to add. Everything is going to be different. Not every bot's going to have this layout. So it's just going to take some getting used to for yourself. You can watch some YouTube videos. You can Google what some of the best bots are. All of that. But that is how to add bots to your Discord server. Again, if this video helped you guys out, please hit the like button so more people can find my video. I would appreciate that a lot. And until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video.